Hi all, welcome to our channel. Major question is called how we can use this particular method and how we can rectify the error 403 and 404 errors. So first of all, we can go to this particular website. Now my website, everything is working. My website will be everything working. I'm logging for cPanel. I'm logging for cPanel will be here. In the cPanel, the every data will be stored by the file manager option. If is my website will be data will be public underscore HTML. In this, the page name is called index.html. I am download this file. Just the in a particular reason the file was removed. What will happen when refresh this website? We got 404 error. That mean by hosting website the page will be does not found, that is called 404 error. So any website everything is a perfect, the any file is missing, that is a 404 error. One more important option is called 403 forbidden. So when it is happen this error forbidden nothing but your domain hosting will be live, your domain and hosting will be live, but website will be zero content. Website will be zero content. Here minimum content is there. If is a page was missing, that is a 404 error. In a website no file will be match, no files will be match, that is called 403 forbidden error. Two different very important example. 403 404 was different. 403 entire website zero content is called 403 error. In a particular website any one single page is missing, there is a 404 error. Entire website is file is live but one page is missing, that is the 404 error. So that is called add this set by where we can download the file, upload it. Now you can refresh it. The page will be compulsory done on a particular website. So this is the main important key point for the particular using this error. One is this called 403 forbidden. Second will be 404 error. So this is very, very important for two understanding. Zero content is called 404 error. In a total content, one page missing, two page missing, that is called 404 error. So these are the method you can follow to fix these two issues. If any further question, please contact my channel.